Hi guys, in today's video, you will learn how to fix lagging and slow problems with your Windows PC. Make sure to watch until the end because these simple solutions will help improve your computer performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and feel free to leave any questions in the comment section. Let's jump in. The first thing to do when experiencing lagging and slow problems is to restart your computer. Click the Start button. Then find the power button right here and click Restart. A simple restart can clear temporary issues and improve performance of your computer. Next, go to Settings by pressing Windows key together with I. Down here, click Windows Update and click Check for Updates. Well, thanks for it. We are up to date. It's simple, but you'd be surprised how often this can resolve issues. Next, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Then head to the Startup tab. Find any program you don't need to run as startup. Right-click and select Disable. This can free up resources, improve your startup time, and overall performance. Next, press Windows key with I to open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Then honor Windows permissions. Find and modify any permissions you don't need. You want to disable all of these. Go back. Speech. If you don't use this, make sure you have it disabled. Inking and typing personalization. You want to disable that. Diagnostics and feedback. Disable that as well. Activity history, make sure you have that disabled. Search permissions, have this enabled. This is for your own security. Then go down to app permissions. Location, if you don't use that, make sure you disable it. Camera, if you don't use a camera, disable that as well. Microphone, voice activation, notification, disable that. Email, if you don't use the email client that comes with your PC, disable that. Just go through the list and find any app permissions you don't need and have it disabled. From Settings, choose Personalization and select Colors. Under Colors, make sure Transparency Effects is disabled, as this can slightly slow down your computer. Next, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Then type sysdm.cpl. Hit Enter. This will open the System Properties window. Click Advanced tab. Under Performance, click Settings. The default setting here is let Windows choose what's best for my computer. You want to change that to adjust for best performance. Select this. And down here, you want to select Show Thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. After that, click Apply and click OK. Again, press Windows key together with R to open the Run dialog box. Tap app wix.cpl. Hit enter. Look for apps or programs you don't need. Right-click on the app and select Uninstall. Better still, you can uninstall from up here. Click Uninstall, and that will uninstall the program from your PC. After that, make sure to restart your PC. I hope this helps to improve your PC performance. There you have it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.